Hi viewers, welcome to TestBite. This channel mainly focuses on software quality assurance. We will be adding content related to all types of testing, from manual to automation. Please subscribe to the channel for more upcoming tutorials. When we log defects, there are two fields that we need to fill in: severity and priority. Today in this tutorial, we will be looking into what is bug severity and priority, and its levels. We will be looking into the difference between a priority and a severity and its matrix as well. And finally, we will be discussing the priority and severity levels with examples. Okay, now, let's get started. In software development and maintenance, bug reports play an important role by providing valuable information related to the pointing problems on the product, which is used for fixing and enhancing the quality of the product being developed. Bug severity is one of the main attributes of a bug report. So, what is this bug severity? Bug severity is an indicator of the impact of the defect or the bug on the software product. If we are encountering an issue that may cause a negative impact or break the software application or the website, then there's a severe bug. For example, let's assume the submit button of a form is not working. Then this is a high severity issue, because there's no point in filling the form fields without it getting saved somewhere after submitting. The levels of bug severity are critical, major, minor, and low. A defect is marked as critical when it completely blocks the testing of the product or the feature. The product will not work at all. This is a critical condition. A defect is marked as major when a large area of the software is negatively affected. But still, the product can be used to some level. A minor defect does not create much negative impact on a function or the process of testing. But this must be fixed. Whereas, a low-severity bug is mostly related to the look and feel of the system. This kind of issue needs less attention, as this will not be causing much impact on the feature or the software product. Bug priority also is an important factor in a bug report. Just like bug severity indicates the impact of a bug priority is the urgency of the defect to be fixed. Assume there is a long list of bugs to be fixed in a sprint. But developers cannot fix so many defects simultaneously, so it is important to prioritize the order of the defects they will fix. Therefore, a bug priority indicates how soon the defect needs to be fixed by the developer. It also determines the timeframe given to the developer to fix the issue. Usually, high-severity defects are of high priority as they demand quick fixing. The levels of bug priority are low, medium, and high. A defect is marked as low in priority when it can be fixed at a later time once the priority bugs are fixed. A medium bug is when it can be fixed in the normal course of the development activity and testing. This will not cause any blockings to the development or the testing. A defect is marked as high when it needs to be fixed as soon as possible or immediately after the bug observation. These are the ones that cause system failures and stop further testing. Okay, now, let's have a look at the types of severity and priority. So, I hope this graph itself gives you a clear idea of the types. Let's first look at the high severity and high priority. These are the issues that have a huge impact on a system. In this, the feature of the system itself will not function, and as a result, there will be a blocker for the continuation of the testing. For example, let's consider the login page of Facebook. After you insert the email and password and you're not able to log in into your account, then what is the point of having an account? This type of bug is a very critical one, and it blocks the users from using the application further anymore. Let's now imagine the logo of Facebook. It is a logo of its own simplicity and is easily recognizable. Let's assume the font and the color of the logo are changed to something else, which completely changes the look and feel of the logo. This is not something that is going to affect the functionality of the application, but it definitely will have a huge negative impact on the customer's business. These types of issues are low severity and high priority bugs. Let's now move to the high severity and low priority bug type. This is where the key feature is failed, but it has very little impact on the business perspective. Let's assume we have a link in our application that is rarely clicked on by the users and this link is not working. Since this link does not interact with the users much, there is no hurry to get this issue fixed. Then, it is a high severity and low priority issue. Let's now look at the last type, which is low severity and low priority bugs. These are mostly cosmetic issues. For example, let's say a linked text in your website is not having a hover effect, or a caption of an image is written in the wrong font. These types of issues do not cause any trouble for the user to move on with the application. So, these types of bugs are categorized as low priority and low severity bugs. So now, we have looked into what is bug severity and priority and the levels and examples. I hope you enjoyed and got a clear understanding of today's topic. Keep in touch with TestBite for more upcoming videos. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.